To reach their potential, young people access many different essential services, from well-being to housing, employment support, and skills development. When using these services, young people sometimes need to make long and difficult journeys. If they're late or miss meetings, services may be withdrawn. Sometimes young people find it hard to identify or discuss problems that lead to missed appointments. This can make it hard for practitioners to understand appointment barriers. Shifting journey cards are designed to overcome communication barriers. Underpinned by research and developed by young people, the icons on the cards help journey planning and problem solving and constructive communication. The cards fall into themes, journeys, barriers, and feelings. The pack is adaptable and the cards can be used all together or individually. Shifting journey cards help young people complete journeys safely and stay connected with services that support their well-being.